Alright, Harry, we have a problem in that I do not see your revolution slider here. So let's poke around and investigate. And if I refresh this now that I've loaded it in, I can edit the page and see what our issue here is. So since we have this slider selected, let's take a look at it. Let's go to the slider settings here. And alright, so alright, let's go hero scene. Let's go full screen, and let's see. We'll make it just a default slider. That's fine, and we'll edit the first slide. And so instead of making our first slide transparent, let's have like a YouTube video in the background, and I'll just take the code from a video about washes that people are using the washes like this on the site. So now, as you load in, a video starts playing. You don't have to use the video. You can switch it back to an image, but I think you'd want to start with setting a background, and then you can put in text animation over this. You can edit the video properties like here, and there's all sorts of settings with how the slides can navigate, but you don't need multiple slides. You can if you want, but you can put in a background video and text that you can animate to fade in, fade out. So there's all sorts of handy things. You can put in parallax effects. So an image might be over the video, and as you move the mouse around, the image sort of moves against the mouse's direction. And anyway, so all of that can be added from these settings. Alright, so fix and resubmit, and I want to see the next version of the Slider Revolution. Thanks.